How are y'all doing today? My name is Nathan Gordon. This is video journal number one. Uh, to introduce myself, I'm Nathan. I think I've already said that. But anyways, so what I, how I got started with broadcasting. I've kind of been through a couple different majors or minors, depending on what you want to look at them as. Trying to find out what I'm interested in. Trying to find out what I would actually want to do in life. Started off with criminal justice, and it was pretty interesting. It was kind of fun, but it was not for me. I learned a bunch of different laws and a bunch of different rules. So, you know, knowledge is always helpful. And then after criminal justice, I went to business management. And with business management, I mean, it wasn't too bad, but it wasn't for me. I mean, I learned a couple different skills that will help me out, later in life, but it just wasn't for me. And I think I finally found my niche. It's with broadcasting. I've always had a fascination and love for music, whether it be rock, rap, country, hip hop, anything, R&B, you name it, I love it. Yeah. Uh, I've always wanted to like produce music, actually. Be able to make. I mean, I don't think I have the swagger for being like a rapper, but I want to make the music. That way I can kind of influence it and make it my own. I love music like when it gives you the cold chills when you're listening to it. That's my kind of music. I love that shit. But that's who I am. Obsessed with music. That's how it's always going to be. So thank you for joining me today. And this is Captain Kirk, and we're logging out.